Yeah, look, I mean, and there are benefits and risks to both if we just break it loosely into indoor time and outdoor time, and so you know, and kids' eyes are sort of still developing, and so the amount of volume of time or intensity of time that they're doing anything can have a sort of bigger impact than what it has on adults, and so. The environments that the kids are finding themselves in and how they're using their eyes can have a big impact. And we certainly see that in other countries where, the opposite occurs, that people spend a lot of time indoors in winter because it's so cold, and we end up getting spikes and things like myopia. And it's the indoor time's the key part here, where the same thing may well happen here as well.
Yeah, that's a good point. And I guess up here in Queensland, it's maybe it's perhaps a bigger factor than down south, where the summers are perhaps aren't as humid for one thing.
For one thing, exactly. Yeah, yeah, and the outdoor time is excellent for getting that break away from those myopia causing and eye strain causing kind of activities. But then we need to kind of balance that with UV protection. I mean, down this part of the world, we've got thinner ozone, and 26 even a 26-degree overcast day here has a threefold level of UV compared to a sunny day in Europe.
All right. Well, I'm gonna give you the magic wand here. So, in an ideal world, if you had to describe what a vision-friendly summer day looks like for a Gold Coast child, what would be in that day?
It would be getting out outdoors, preferably in the morning. Making sure that you are wearing the appropriate protection. We can probably talk about that in a moment. But yeah, getting some outdoor exposure when the UV is hasn't quite crept up yet. So that'll be in the morning or late afternoon. And then getting quite a few hours of outdoor time is ideal. And there's lots of benefits to outdoor times in terms of just the wide open spaces, green time, no walls, all of those sorts of things, and movement and play and those sorts of things. And then if you are spending some time indoors, then it's ideal that you're mindful of how much time is being spent on a device in one kind of hit. And so an ideal day would be breaking those things up. So, you know, mornings outside, afternoons outside, and then if you're escaping the heat during the day inside, that you're breaking up those screen times, and taking sort of decent breaks where you're getting up and moving around.